Do you want to know how you can clear the cache of Elsa Speak on your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear the cache of Elsa Speak on your phone. Go ahead and open or locate Elsa Speak, tap on it, go to its settings, scroll a bit down and you can see storage. Tap on storage and you can see cache over here. So, in order to delete the cache, you can see clear cache option on the bottom of your screen. Once you click clear cache, the cache memory will be cleared. As I have not opened Elsa Speak, there is no cache. So let me go ahead and open Elsa Speak and fill in my details or log into my account. Let me go ahead and log into my account by clicking on my Google account, and I'm gathering some cache memory for me to delete. And as you can see that I have logged in.
Why do you want to use?
And then you can select your language and whatever. And then you can see that now the cache memory will have opened up. So I'll go to Elsa Speak, tap on settings, scroll a bit down, go to storage. As you can see cache. Now to delete it, click on clear cache. After that, you can see that the cache has been deleted. I hope this video about how you can clear the cache of Elsa Speak on your phone was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.